Hi everyone, welcome to Naresh Technologies. This is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to explain how to insert an element into queue. Implementation using Java. In the last video, we discussed that how to create a queue using arrays in Java with the specified size. How to insert an element. Here we are taking one function is not returning anything. Function name is a insert, and what is the element you want to insert, that we need to pass. And next, one more thing along with this, while inserting the element, see, actually the queue is a static queue. Static queue in the sense size is fixed. So here we need to check that stack is full, queue is full or not, because it is a static. So here Boolean method we are writing is full method. It is returning true or false, depends on the queue status. And here this is the queue with the size, just like the array we are creating that queue. And here we know that insertions from the rear and deletions from the front. So we are using two variables, front and rear. Initially front is 0 and rear is also 0. And what is the size means, what is a 5 we are taking, suppose size is a 5. So here queue index starts with a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is. So this is just how memory will be allocated to queue. And whenever we are calling insert function and we are passing the element, suppose 10, first we are checking if the queue is full or not, the function we are calling from here. If it is a full, directly we are writing one message, we are just printing that system.out.print the queue is full. One simple message we are writing, any message you can give, or else we are inserting. But here whenever we are calling is full, the control will come to here, and here we need to write that logic, we need to check that condition. As of now queue is not full, so if block condition we cannot define. Suppose if it is a full, yes it is full, so it returns one true value. If it is a false, if the queue is not full, it returns that queue is not full, so it returns that false value. It returns false, so we need to write the logic for this one. True or false it will return, but as of now that status queue is not full. So here front and rear both are pointing to first location, nothing but 0th location index. Now we are inserting the element 10. Anyway that condition is not satisfies, it returns false. If false means what? Here it is also if block will not execute, else block. Here insertions from rear, so that's why here it is a array name is a queue of rear, into rear we are storing that element. What is that element? 10. And here it is a rear value is what? 0. Into queue q of rare means what? Into this location we are inserting from rare, so it will go in this direction and it will stay here. So that value 10, the value 10 will go and store in the first location, and next rare should point into that next location because for second insertion. See, for that we need to write a rare plus plus, and we are giving one message here, it is a successfully inserted. You can write in a quotes also. This is not the logic, we are not executing. So later briefly we are following all the syntactical rules. So here whenever we are executing, rare value become 1. Next, whenever they call insert, once again chance is there. So next element will be inserted into q of rare, that is 1, is nothing but 20 here suppose, and next rare value increase to 2, and next here it is in the second location, suppose one more element 30, and that value 2 become 3, and here it is next we are inserting 40, and that value become 4, and next here we are inserting that 50, and here it is a value become 5, value become 5. So whenever it is pointing to that fifth location, actually there is no such location because the queue is already full. So when size value and rare value both are same, equal to that rare value, we can say that queue is full. So here we are writing, if rare value equal to size, then queue is full, because next time whenever they are trying to insert the element, whenever we are calling is full function, it is checking what is that rare value is a 5, and next one what is that size value is also 5, equal to 5, condition true. So it will return the true value to here, and it will display that queue is a full. So this is how we are inserting the elements into queue from the rare. Okay, hope you understood. In the next video I will explain how to delete element from the queue. Okay, thank you all.